રજનીમાં બસ આવશે. બરાબર છે? મજા આવે છે? I'm very happy to see my grandma for sure. I've seen her after about 6-7 years now.
आशीर्वाद परायण हरिकेशवाय नमः हरिं माधवाय नमः. He likes it very much. We always keep a left hand before our eyes. When God is taking us to see, that is how we see. When God is taking something, we cannot look at it. So we keep the left hand before our eyes and make a curtain of the hand. And then we tell God, see with these 2 fingers and thumb, Bhagavan Harita Jamar.
Oh yes I do, yes. Oh, 12 kids?
That's me. Let's stop.
Oh golly. You didn't have 12 kids.
My mommy's
You didn't have 12 kids.
my skin, you know, is enough trouble.
I know.
You feel like it's crap.
I know that.
Speak in here. एक मिनट शांति रखो. एक मिनट शांति रखो. Minute and Chris. Keep it in both your hands. Now it makes then what we are this people. Now in India also, now the boys select by themselves. But in ancient India, the parents used to select the girl or the boy for their own children. And you see, the marriage takes place. And when you go for the marriage, the parents and the family members, they would always think that my boy should look, very handsome, or my girl should look very beautiful. So they used to apply this. If you apply daily, if you take bath with this, it says, or Indian medical science says, that if you take bath with this PT, then your skin will become little bit fair. And when particularly a boy or the girl, when they goes for marriage, they should look beautiful or handsome, and that is why the ladies, they apply this PT.
શું બોલો
ઘડી નાખો લિસ્ટ માં ઘડી શું લેવાનું?
અરે બોલો
શું બોલો?
સોનિયાને જઈને દેખાડી.
સોનિયા જય અમે લગ્નમાં આવ્યા છીએ, મજા પડી. પછી શું મારું વિક્રમ સરસ છે. હા
આશીર્વાદ આપો.
આશીર્વાદ બધા હોવર હેન્ડ ડોહા થા ઘેડા થા સરસ. મારે તો તાર માથા ઉપર હાથ ફેરવી નાખ્યા ગલ્લાના દીકરા, બધા છોકરા નાખ્યા.
Should have the fingers off. Mother card the secret one.
શું કરે એટલે આગળ પાણી બધું કર્યા પછી આથી કરવું જોઈએ તમારે.